All right, this is the Graphing Calculator Project Part 4. All right, we have a slanted line with a domain restriction put in. Let's go down to box number 3, where it says to program a vertical line. All right, you guys all know that vertical lines have an undefined slope, so we're not going to be able to put in vertical lines this way. So I got a backup plan for you. It says to go to Second, Draw, choose vertical, that's option number 4. You know what? I'm sorry, I have to go back into my program. Second, quit. I have to go back in and execute my program. That's what happens when I don't have enough coffee in the morning. Let's go back and edit our program. We have to put this in down here. There we go. Okay, now we're going to go back into Second Draw. Sorry about that. Yeah, I get kind of crazy like that sometimes. Second Draw. Now we're going to choose vertical. I want a vertical line that passes through an x of -3. -3. Hit enter. Let's go to second quit. Let's execute our program. And that's what it looks like. The problem with using that is you cannot use any range restrictions. It's a vertical line from top to bottom. So if that's what you need in your program, great, that's how you'll do it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put in a vertical line where you can have some range restrictions. So let's go back into program and edit. And I think I'll take out that last line. So I'll go here and I'll hit clear. I'm going to go into Second Draw, and I'm going to choose number 2, line, choose option 2, line, and now I'm going to put in x1, y1 of one endpoint of my segment and x2, y2 of the other endpoint of my segment. So I'm going to do that with a left parenthesis. Whoops, I already have one in there. Let's take that out. I'm going to put in -3, here's your comma right here, comma, -1, comma, -3, comma, 5, right parenthesis, hit enter. Okay, let's second quit. Let's go in, let's execute and see what that looks like. There we go. Okay, now we have that same vertical line with range restrictions. All right, that's how you'll do that. Now, you are only allowed to use that line function for vertical lines. All other lines must be written in slope-intercept form. Alrighty, let's go back into our program and hit edit. And let's go down to where we left off, right here. And we're going to go try a shade function. This is in box number 4. It says shade. The example, shade between x -3x plus 9 and a y of -3, y-intercept of -3 from an x of +1 to an x of +9. We are going to do the shade function. All right, the shade function puts in both of your lines that you're going to draw and the shading at the same time. So we're going to go to Second Draw. We're going to choose the shade function, which is option number 7. And we're going to put everything in just like you see it. And I'm not certain why I have a -0 there. 0x -3, division symbol, x, go into second test, greater than or equal to 1, and go into second test, arrow over, choose option 1, x less than or equal to 9, second test, option 6, 9, put in a right parenthesis and a comma. If you leave out a comma, the program's not going to like you. Okay, now we're going to put in the next equation, -x plus 9. I'll finish this up in the next video.